There we go. So most of us have issues with this one because it's in fractions, and also this is not really a form that we discuss. It's not standard form, it's not slope-intercept form, because I have an x, a y, and a coefficient on the same side, so therefore we got to do some adjustments right here. Okay, so I need to solve for y. Solve for y. So solving for y, we have to do some order of operations from bottom to top, and so the first thing is adding and subtracting. Now there's several ways I can do this. I can move the x and move the 1/2 and then worry about the y, or what happens if I move the y first? It's going to be shorter. So I'm going to get the y to the other side, and therefore I only got one more step after that. It's no problem if you move the x, move the 1/2, and then worry about that, but I'm going to move the y first. So since the y is added, how can I create a 0 on this side where the y is? Subtract the whole thing. Okay, and that leaves me with negative 1/4 y equals x plus 1/2. Okay? Now, everything that we've done up until this point dealt with us undoing multiplication. Well, technically, this isn't multiplication. This is going to be y divided by 4, or negative 4, because my y would go up here. So how do I undo division? Now that we're at the second step of our order of operations, we go up to multiplication and division. How do I undo division? With multiplication. So I multiply everything by negative 4. Now, some of you might look at that as multiplying by what's called the reciprocal. You might have a teacher talk about the reciprocal. Reciprocal seems I just flip the fraction. So I'm multiplying by the flip fraction through everything. Okay? But since my denominator is 1, since my new denominator will be 1, I don't have to rewrite that. So those will cancel. The negative will cancel. That's going to leave me y. So it creates a 1 on the y, negative 4x, and then negative 4 times 1/2 is negative 2. And so therefore, my slope is negative 4 over 1. My y-intercept, which is a coordinate at which the line crosses the y-axis, is 0, negative 2. Okay, so I have negative 2, and I'm going to go down 4, this way 1. And there we have it.